But it's still alive?
Yeah.
Come on, kitty. Come on. Come on. You can do it, kitty. You can do it. Oh, wow. Come on. Can you hold the light? No, because his body's hitting against something.
What the?
Yeah. It's got to be. No. And I ain't got enough room to get him up. Oh, Lord. In this. And his body is just like that. And then when I try to blame like that, it hits this.
Have you ever seen a cat wedge like this before?
No, never. Never.
So
I've been here. I've been doing this 18 years, and I ain't never seen it.
what option we got though?
Cut. You have to cut something. I don't have the tools for that. I got him.
We got. He's too hurt though, huh?
Yes. Yeah. Okay, let me go get my carrier, and I can take him to the vet.
Okay.
All right.
So where are you going to take the cat now to?
To the vet.
And do you think he'll be able to survive?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't have a lot of time. All right.
What was your name?
Officer Nellum.
And how do you spell that?
Nellom.
Great rescue tonight.
Thank you, sir. You have a beautiful night.